Welcome everybody to another Python program explaining video on MSK coding. The Python program of choice is ElapsedTime.py. This program will calculate the elapsed time from the start time to the end time. Let's start with the first line here. Hour, minute is input. Give the start time dot split colon. We'll start with the input statement. Asks you, give the start time, and it splits it at the colon because when you write time, usually put like it's a 1:05:1:05. So you split it at the colon to create the hour and the minute. So the hour is in the hour variable and the minute is in the minute variable. Now, since right now these are just strings, we convert them to actual numbers with the int function, which converts them into integers. Then line 4 right here, AM PM 1 is equal to input is the time AM or PM. So it asks you it's AM or PM. And if hour equals 12 and AM PM equals AM, then set hour to 0. That is there because when you're starting from time 0, which is 12, then it's going to count up. But when you put 12, it pretends like it's actually 12 noon. So we have to set it to 0. And this calculator is only for same day. If you want to go through a different day, you just have to go from day to day to day and keep going like that. And so if AM PM1 equals PM, then add 12 to the hour because we're going in the 24-hour scale right here. And the same whole program here is just basically copied and pasted, but everything is now with the end time. But now the more important part is right here. Minutes 1 equals hour times 60 plus minute. So it calculates the amount of minutes in the whole start time from hour 0, from the start of the day, and it does the same thing with minutes 2, the end time. Then it subtracts minutes 1 from minutes 2 to get the elapsed time. Then out hours, which is output hours, is elapsed min /60. This double slash will divide by 60 and then take the whole number and then set that to out hours. And it's going to be the same thing for the percentage sign modulus, but instead of taking the whole number, it's going to take the remainder. And after all that it's done, it's going to print the elapsed time is whatever out hours is hours, and whatever out minutes is minutes. And the reason why this works is because you have an F at the front. This F means format, so it's going to format it to the variables. So we can now run the program, and we can just see. And so before we added the AM PM thing, putting 12:05 and 11:55 would not work because it's counting the 12:05 as noon. But with this, it's going to correct clearly. So 12:05 AM and 11:55 PM. And it's going to correct the good answer of 23 hours and 50 minutes. This is one of the many things that can be used, and just remember, this can only be used for the same day, and we have lots of other program checks that we can do, as you see here. So this is the ElapsedTime.py program. I hope you like this video, and just remember the bar is up to 75, so if you like the video and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We're now aiming to get to 75 subscribers without any time limit. Bye!